Australia's vision for Antarctica sounds relatively straightforward. Value, protect and understand the frozen continent and the Southern Ocean. But achieving that simple set of ideals involves a complex and demanding mission that connects us all across safety, science, community, influence and stewardship. Antarctica and the Southern Ocean throw up challenges and surprises unlike anything anywhere else in the world. Together, we respond to those challenges and lead the Australian Antarctic Program.
The Australian Antarctic Division is an incredibly sophisticated network made up of those working and living down south, staff at the wharf, on Noyina, in Kingston and further afield. And together we've achieved some amazing milestones over the last 12 months.
We completed the third and final year of the Denman Terrestrial Campaign. Dozens of scientists and support staff had called the Denman Glacier home at various times over the last 3 seasons. For 3 seasons, expeditioners had lived and worked in the most remote and challenging conditions imaginable, all while being kept warm, safe and fed.
But that wasn't the end of the Denman campaign. The Denman Marine Voyage had also been years in the planning, and that work finally came to fruition. Every part of the AAD came together to deliver the groundbreaking marine science voyage, the first of its kind for RSV Noyina.
Collaboration was also at the centre of this year's Million Year Ice Core campaign. The Traverse team again made the long journey across the ice, enabling our scientists to continue their search for the longest continuous ice core climate record in history. A new site was established, the first cores collected and brought home.
While much of our scientific work was focused on the existential threat of climate change, another looming danger was front of mind. Monitoring work for avian influenza was carried out in Antarctica and on Macquarie Island, while preparation work was done on how to keep people safe if and when the deadly virus arrives on our doorstep. Keeping our people safe and ensuring our station infrastructure continues to support our work and people in Antarctica saw significant works at Casey and Davis this season.
And amongst everything else happening in the program, our dedicated and dependable resupply teams visited all 4 stations, overcoming countless challenges and obstacles to supply expeditioners with everything needed for the coming winter.
But for all the amazing achievements of the last 12 months, future seasons will be just as exciting. The Heard Island and McDonald Islands campaign will take the Australian Antarctic Program to places it hasn't been in more than 2 decades. Again, every part of the AAD is coming together to plan what will be a challenging but extraordinarily rewarding campaign.
Work has started on the 9-year, $371 million Macquarie Island Station project, which will strengthen Australia's presence in the Southern Ocean for generations.
Back in Tasmania, the Dr. Isabel Bennett Southern Ocean Research Aquarium is also rapidly taking shape, further cementing Hobart as a hub for Antarctic and Southern Ocean science.
Midwinter represents a perfect opportunity to take a moment to think about what we've achieved together and how every person across the Australian Antarctic Program has contributed to its success. We've responded to the challenges that Antarctica and the Southern Ocean presented us, and together we've achieved some remarkable things.